In case you don't know, YouTube is now allowing small creators to join their YouTube partnership program, get monetized, and earn money. So I am excited to share this because a lot of small YouTubers are putting in their all. This is a way to just encourage them. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I want to take a moment to give a shout out to all my new subscribers. I am so grateful. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I see all of you. I'm so excited to have you guys here. And for those who are tuning in for the very first time, thank you for tuning in. So in order to get monetized, all you need is 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. So I know you might be thinking that getting 3,000 watch hours is still a lot, but trust me, I'm going to be sharing with you tips that can help you get 3,000 watch hours quickly. So another thing you need to know is that you can actually meet these criteria and not start earning immediately if you don't follow the tips that I'm going to share with you. So make sure to stick to the end to watch the tips on how you can start earning immediately. So there are 4 different ways that you can earn on YouTube when you have 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. So the first way is by super chats and by super stickers. So you have to actually go live to be able to actually get this. So I'm going to be telling you the importance of streaming live by the time I am done with this, so keep watching. So your subscribers would be able to highlight their comments on your live by doing super chats and super stickers. This way you get paid. And another way you can earn money is by super thanks. There are a lot of people out there who would want to say thank you for putting out the content and educating them or entertaining them. So it's very important that you have contents that are very engaging, entertaining, and educating. This would help you get money because that's where you have subscribers who are happy with what you're doing and would want to say thank you by donating an amount to you. And when they donate an amount to you, YouTube is going to give you 70% of this and take the rest of it. So another way you can earn money is by having memberships. So you can have premium content for only those who are subscribed to your membership plan. So you can get money by being paid monthly by people who want to subscribe to membership on your channel. And another way you can get money is by having a store on YouTube. If you have products that you like to sell, whether it is physical products or digital products, you can link your shop to YouTube. Your subscribers don't need to go out of YouTube in order to patronize it. They can just see your products on your YouTube and then they would patronize you and then you get money that way. So now the importance of going live streaming, I'm going to be telling you that now. So it is very important to go live stream if you want to build your watch hours. Going live is a way to build your watch hours very fast. So in order for you to earn immediately, you don't have to wait till 500 subscribers before you start live streaming. Make sure you're live streaming from now, before you hit that milestone, before you get to that watch hour, because you're going to start building your community from now. You're going to start building trust from now with your subscribers. They're going to start knowing you and liking your personality and feel the need to support you in your journey. So start building a connection with your subscribers from this moment instead of waiting for that time. Because if you wait till you get 500 subscribers and start live streaming by then, you have to start building a community and earning trust and getting that connection between you and your subscribers. So you don't want to wait till that time. Start doing it now so that by the time you are monetized, you are already getting their support. So I would encourage you to do more lives. I mean, you don't have to have so many subscribers in order to go live. You can start going live even when you have 20 subscribers. Trust me, with time you would get better at doing live and you get more people watching you, right? And another thing is that when you're going live, don't go live as though you have only small subscribers. Have good information, have entertaining things or educating things that you want to share with your viewers. Have a script for that live. So don't go on live and have no direction and start talking here and there. So have a title, have a topic for that life. That way you are able to give value to people who are watching you, and that way you are able to get them to give you super thanks, super chats, and super sticker. So super chats and super sticker is just like, when you're on TikTok, you see like flowers and those things going on and on. So that's how super stickers are like. So they're able to like put stickers, that way you get paid. So one way to get subscribers, to get to get watch hours again, is by making long videos, right? This way you are able to build your watch hours quickly. So let's say you have 3 minutes video on your long form video, you're not really going to get a lot of watch hours. So you want to make sure that you are actually filming long videos like 8 minutes, 9 minutes, and so on, to be able to get more watch hours. So for you to be able to get monetized, you have to follow the YouTube guidelines. I made a video on this. I'm going to put it up here for you guys to watch. So you have to follow the YouTube guidelines before you are able to make money. So another way to make sure that you are building your watch hours is by actually choosing a niche where you are good at, right? If you choose a niche that you are not so good at, you have no knowledge on. Imagine you are not a gamer, you don't know so much on gaming, but because maybe gaming has a particular CPM and you're interested in earning a lot, that CPN is very attracting to you, you now decide to like make videos on gaming. When you have no knowledge, you're not going to be able to retain your subscribers, because they are going to see right through you. They are going to see that you're not good enough, you're not giving them good content. So if you want to build your watch hours, put out good content, choose a niche that you're good at, that you enjoy doing. That way you'll be able to build your watch hours. And another thing is that you should make sure to interact with your subscribers. I am not going to subscribe to a small YouTube channel and then I comment on your comment section and you don't give me a reply. I would probably unsubscribe, because I know you have seen my comments, you choose not to acknowledge it. So be ready to always connect with your subscribers, reply to their comments, like their comments. If they ask you questions, answer to the best of your knowledge and help them, because the whole purpose of creating a YouTube channel in the first place is to help people by either entertainment or educating them. I hope this was helpful to someone. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, like this video, comment and let me know what you think, and I would see you in my next video.